Hi guys, welcome back to Alimento kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a rich and delicious palm oil stew that's perfect for rice or yam. First, I wash and season my meat with onion seasoning and spices. You can use any protein of your choice. Allow it to cook, then set aside with the stock. Next, I blended my tomato, pepper and onions. Then I blended my crayfish. I heat my palm oil on low heat. Then I added my sliced onions and allow it to fry. Then I poured in my blended pepper mix and let it cook until the oil begins to rise to the top. Then I added my seasoning and spices, stirred well and allowed the stew to fry. Then I added my cooked meat with the stock and crayfish and let everything cook together so the flavor can blend perfectly. And our palm oil stew is ready, rich and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!